Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install a new theme on the Call of Duty application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen next to the battery icon. So click on it, and then you should tap on the install button in the left side column of the screen. Here you can select these zombie themes. So if you want to download any of them, tap on the relevant one, and as you can see it is being downloaded. If you have enough space, it will be downloaded in a few seconds. However, if you have run out of space, you should free up some on your device, and then you will be able to download it, then tap on it and it will be updated automatically, so you will be able to use the new theme on your device while you are playing with the Call of Duty application. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.